used to be a fat, frumpy widow. Oh yeah. And I didn't know how to get healthy until I discovered the secret to live in a body and life that I loved. And I can teach this to you. You're going to learn it in this challenge. I'm Kathryn Chess. I'm your nutritionist and joyful living coach. And for the last 10 years, oh my goodness, I have had so much fun guiding hundreds of women, guiding and inspiring hundreds of women to really shine in their healthiest and their happiest bodies. And I'm going to do that for you as well. So I am so glad you're here, and I can't wait to show you my simple solutions to really recalibrate your health, start listening to your body, and finally live in the body and the life that you truly desire. So we'll see you on the challenge, and I'm standing for your amazing success.